Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on Redmi 13C device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you can open your Google application on your device. Okay, after that here you can click on profile icon at the top. And then you can click settings. And then in this section you can select Google Assistant. Okay, and then now please press this option. And then you can turn it off like this. Okay, and then now the Google Assistant on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on Redmi 13C device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.